Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how to nest the audio clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see here in the timeline, I added some different audio clips in different layers. So if I want to nest these two layers, I mean audio 1 and audio 2, let's see what it's going to looks like. I selected both, then if I see here, the nest option is not showing. So the solution and the quick fix for this is select the layer above that. If in case you don't want to nest the video layers, create a transparent video layer or any adjustment layer by simply right clicking here, new item, and I'm selecting the adjustment layer, hit OK. Now I drag and drop this on top of the layer, I mean the video layer. If in case you are having multiple video layers, yes, you can drag and drop that on all the top. Select the adjustment layer and press the shift key. By holding the shift key, select the audio layers as well. Now if you right click, you will see the nest option. Click on it and I'm giving the name as audio nesting, and boom, as you can see here, the sequence, I mean the nested sequence is created, but in the timeline you won't see anything. The audio layers and everything will be like the same. For this, simply move the playhead where this actual nested sequence is starting, delete that layer followed by all the audio layers. Now if I drag and drop this, so now you successfully created the nested audio for your clips. If in case you want, you double click on it so that the nested sequence will be opened. Select the adjustment layer, delete it, and you can enable or disable this, or simply click on this icon, then delete this. That's it. This is how you can nest the audio clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks as well as YouTube growth videos.